Ayan, good afternoon guys. Ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng post sa Wordpress. So first of all, you have to log in your XAMPP control panel. Then type in localhost. And then the folder name kung saan nyo install si Wordpress. So it may vary. Depende kung anong pinangalan nyo sa Wordpress folder na kinapi and paste nyo sa XAMPP. So ako hindi ko pinalitan. Let me just check if I'm recording. Okay, still recording. And then let me change the quality for a bit. Output. Okay, never mind. Let's just go on. Okay. After you type WordPress WP admin, you have to log in using your account that you registered when you installed WordPress. So I have that saved in my browser already. So I'll just have to tap on login. Ngayon, as di ba, we discussed before what our posts are, pages are, logins, and etc. So ngayon, i-discuss ko kung paano lang mag-add, edit, delete ng inyong post. So ma-access nyo sa WordPress dashboard. And just look for the post tab, menu, and click on all posts, para makita natin yung existing na post natin. So we have here a draft, and to delete a draft, a post, click nyo lang ito, and then click on trash or back action, move to trash. So si back action, pwede kasing pagsabay-sabayin, and then you just click on apply, ma-apply na yung changes na ginawa nyo. So i-apply lang natin to one post, which is this one, naka-draft. Okay, so it's gone. So saan mapupunta yun? Doon sa trash. Okay? Next one, paano mag-restore, kuya, sir, ng post, na nakalagay sa bin or sa trash. So, punta ka lang sa trash tab under the all posts and just click on restore. Easy as that. And then, if you look at the all, sa lahat ng result na meron kayo, nandun na siya. And you can see it as draft kasi hindi pa siya naka-publish. So, how do you publish that? Let's see. Okay, hindi pwedeng ganun, So, you just have to click on it or edit it first. Ayan, nasa edit mode tayo. So, wala pala siyang content. So, search natin si Dandelions lyrics. Okay. So, ito, sample ko lang ito. And you still have to stick to your content and theme ng inyong website na ginagawa. Okay? And then you also have to put a title here, So, the link may adjust to the name of your post title. Pero depende pa rin yan sa inyong settings na ginawa earlier. So, just research on it kung paano nyo gawin yung custom permalinks sa inyong WordPress site if you really want to learn further. Okay, next. We have categories sa ating post. So, you can categorize post to whatever classification na gusto nyo. for this, I created a category under lyrics. Kasi lyrics ngayon ginagawa natin. So, if it's related to school activities, gawin natin, i-click lang natin to, ma-add na siya sa activities categories or announcement or uncategorized. Kung hindi pa kayo sure kung anong category siya and you want to publish it right away. So, paano po mag-add ng category, sir? Ng post category? Easy. Just click on this one. You just type in whatever category you want. Travel, kunwari. You're doing a travel vlog. Or if you want to categorize your travel vlog into municipalities, you can also do that. Okay? And then, parent category. Ibig sabihin, pag magse-select tayo ng um, parent category, magiging subcategory na lang itong gagawin natin. Okay, I hope you do understand that. So let's try to apply it having a parent category. Yeah. So lahat ng travel categories, pag sinelect natin si activities, kasali lahat ng travel activities. I mean categories. So, in general. Pero, pag si travel lang ang sinelect natin, not all na under activities na category ay madi-display in the future. Okay? So for now, let's try to delete travel. Okay? Let's try to delete a category. I believe we cannot delete here. Yes. I think we cannot delete here, but let's unselect that one and click on lyrics first. Okay? Si tag, itong mga tinatype natin na words that we want to tell the search engine kung ano yung post, what our post is all about. So, kunwari, dandelions, if that's how you pronounce it. And then click on add. So, there's a high chance. I mean, you're increasing the chance na yung post mo ay mahahanap sa search engine if you're putting tags like this on your posts. So, the lions. For now, it's not really necessary kasi hindi naman naka-upload online yung inyong website. But, for future reference, kung gagawa na kayo ng sarili nyong website, you want to publish that, so you can also adapt this one. And then for the template, leave it as default para susundan niya yung default settings ng inyong theme. Okay. And then here you can allow or disallow comments. Okay. And then you can also select the author. So pag marami kayong users, and then marami kayong nagsusulat, syempre isa-select mo rin yung sarili mong pangalan to give credits to yourself. And for now, ASC Web Admin lang ang meron tayong user. And the next one is the featured image. Si featured image, ito yung na-feature whenever ipopost natin sa yung link kunwari ng inyong post sa website, I mean sa Facebook, meron siyang featured image. Or you want to display the category of lyrics in your homepage, syempre may lalabas na image dapat para maganda tignan. And ito, yung featured image, yung linalabas na thumbnail. So let's just try to see that later. Set featured image. So nag-upload na ako, and to upload files, just click on upload files and select files. Okay, and then open. Malalagay na siya dyan. And then you can select it and then set as featured image. Pero hindi yan relevant yung linagay ko, no? So, i-uncheck ko siya. And then, isa-select ko si dandelions. and then set as featured image. And then finally, to publish your article or your post, you just have to tap on publish. And then to preview your post, the post that you've made, meron dito sa taas. Okay, view post, right click new tab ko ha. And ito siya. Okay. Ngayon, tignan natin sa homepage para makita nyo yung featured image na sinasabi ko. Ayan. Meron siya doon. Okay? So, yan yung tina-target yung image para magkaroon naman ng thumbnail doon sa ating blog list or article list na i-display sa ating website. Now, let's go back. Ano na yung na-discuss kong iba? All post. Ano pa ba hindi ko na-discuss about post? Edit. Okay, to edit, syempre, basic lang. Obvious naman. Click nyo lang yung edit here. Then, ma-revise nyo yung content. Kunwari, nakalimutan nyo lagyan ng spacing. Yan. Okay? Or you wish to continue what you left out. Kunwari, may gagawin kayo. And then, gusto nyo na i-publish agad-agad kahit hindi nyo patapos. You can also do that. So, after editing the article, after making changes, you just have to click on update. And there you go. It's done. Let's view it and check the changes. Tada! Na-apply yung ating spacing. The next one, tignan natin itong area kung saan ako gumagawa. Pag papansin ninyo, yung current na post editor nyo, hindi ganito yung itsura. I'm very sure kung freshly installed WordPress kayo, tapos hindi pa kayo naglagay ng plugin, iba ito. So, naka-classic editor ako, and yung gamit nyo ngayon is called block editor, in WordPress. So, paano natin gagawing parang ganitong editor ko? Yung itsura ng ating editor, So, punta lang tayo sa plugins. And then, meron na kasi ako nakalagay na classic editor. And let's try to deactivate. Okay. And delete. Para makita nyo yung pinupunto ko kanina. Okay. And then, post. Let's try to edit. Ayan. So, naka-block siya. And I really don't like yung block editor. Nagkaka-error siya. Lalo na pag online na yung inyong website. So, how do you add a classic editor? Balik lang tayo sa dashboard, And under plugins, click on add new. So, nadi-discuss na rin natin dito kung paano maglagay ng add-ins. And there are two ways, to add a plugin. First one, pag connected ka sa internet, you just have to click on, search for the plugin that you want. So, meron na siya dito, naka-recommend na, pero gawin natin yung old way. Okay? Kasi minsan, hindi naman nandyan lagi. Okay? So, nandito siya. And then, click on install. Okay, it says installed. And then, pag na-install na, just click on activate para mag-apply yung changes. So, let's try to check again under our post. And click on edit. Nag-subliso na, or bumalik siya sa classic editor. Another one, let's try to delete it again. Sorry guys. Deactivate and delete. So, try naman natin yung isang method ng pag-add ng plugin. So, let's try add new. And then, i-upload natin siya. Basically, gagamit pa din kayo ng internet, ano? Pero, if you want to share resources, kakopyahan nyo na lang yung plugin from your other classmate, you can also do that. So, search, punta kayo sa Google search bar, and then, classic editor plugin, Wordpress, and Matic, lalabas ito. Click nyo lang, and then click on download. So, naka-tar file yan. So, ganyan nyo siyang i-upload. You don't need to extract it. Okay, so downloaded na. And then, upload plugin. Choose a file. Then, hanapin nyo kung nasaan nyo lang linagay. I think it's under downloads. And classic editor. Classic editor. Zip. Open. And then, click on install now. And siya na ang bahalang mag-i-extract and mag-i-install. Okay, just easy as that. And tapos na. Activate plugin. And you've already you did the same thing as per installing it on the dashboard. Okay, and last one about the categories, di ba? Nag-add tayo ng categories kanina. So let's go under post and then categories. And here we can edit the categories or delete them. Okay, so gusto kong i-delete itong travel. Okay, same as the lyrics. Okay. And then, ganun lang paano mag-add ng mag-delete ng category. Kung mag-add ka naman dito under the post menu, ganun din. Add category. Ayan. So, you can delete that. Ayaw ko yan na mag-appear sa ating website. And then, under post, delete ko na din ito. Ano? Trash. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo mag-save ng space, kasi pag in-upload nyo to online, usually yung minimum storage is 2 gig or 10 gig, ganyan lang. So, limited ang ating space. So, we also have to practice deleting yung mga bagay na hindi natin kailangan. Then, empty trash. And, ganun lang. Tapos na. And see you in the next tutorial about pages.